Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here. Ho, ho, ho. Hello there, my friends. It's Santa here at the workshop. Today, we're talking about something Zoom-tastic, a kid's electric bike. That's right, a kid's electric bike. It's just the right size for little riders, safe, sturdy, and oh so fun. Kids' electric bikes are designed with safety in mind, with speed limits, strong brakes, and even training wheels for beginners. And of course, they make playtime feel like a magical adventure. Can you imagine finding a kid's electric bike waiting under your Christmas tree? Ho, ho, ho. What a surprise that would be. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, everyone. Of course, before hopping on, always ask mommy or daddy. And maybe even write Santa a note, too. Ho, ho, ho. And remember, kids, Santa only brings a kid's electric bike if mommy or daddy say it's the right time. Teamwork makes the magic work. So, if you're dreaming big this Christmas, remember, a kid's electric bike could be the ride of your life. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.